Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You should open Minecraft and go straight to Options, then Accessibility. Once there, find the narrator toggle. It's the single switch controlling spoken text. Turn it off immediately. That stops the voice for chat, menus, and tooltips. If you hear no change, make sure you're in the correct profile and that resource packs or mods aren't overriding settings. Also confirm you have the latest game version. Outdated clients can behave differently. Once done, move on to confirm system-level settings. Now check keybinds. You might be toggling narrator without realizing it. Open controls and search for the narrator or accessibility keybind. Clear or remap it to prevent accidental activation. Next, open chat settings inside accessibility because some chat options can trigger spoken chat. If you're running mods, disable them temporarily. Mods can inject commands that re-enable narration. Make sure to save your control profile and test by sending a short chat message to see if narration remains off. Finish by restarting Minecraft and loading a fresh world to confirm narrator stays off. If narration persists, check your operating system. Windows Narrator or Mac OS VoiceOver can read game text when accessibility APIs are active. Also verify Java accessibility settings. Disable any system-level Java screen reader support. If problems continue, reset your options file or reinstall Minecraft cleanly. Troubleshooting tip. If a third-party mod or overlay causes narration, disable overlays first. That usually resolves hidden re-enable behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.